Government Postgraduate College Bannu is a renowned institution of higher education located in Bannu, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. The college was founded in 1957 and since then has been committed to providing quality education to its students. The institution is affiliated with the University of Bannu and offers a wide range of degree programs in various fields of study. The principal Saad Ullah Khan did a great job for the betterment of the college. The college is situated in a beautiful location, surrounded by lush green trees and gardens, which provide a serene and peaceful atmosphere for the students to study in. The college has state-of-the-art facilities, including well-equipped classrooms, computer labs, science labs, and libraries, which provide students with all the resources they need to excel in their studies. The college boasts a team of highly qualified and experienced teachers who are dedicated to imparting knowledge and skills to their students. They ensure that students receive a comprehensive education that enables them to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which are essential for success in today's dynamic world. The teachers at Government Postgraduate College Bannu are known for their commitment to excellence and their passion for teaching. They go above and beyond in their efforts to provide quality education to their students, using innovative teaching methods and engaging them in active learning. In conclusion, Government Postgraduate College Bannu is a remarkable institution of higher education that offers quality education in a beautiful and peaceful environment. Its dedicated teachers and state-of-the-art facilities make it an ideal place for students to pursue their academic and personal growth and prepare them for successful careers in their chosen fields.